Hello friends, Namaste. I am Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to show you part 5 of my garden. So what is the part 5, where it is and all. So this is where I am growing these plants here. You can see on the roads, on both of the roads I have been growing some plants. And all these are I am only maintaining because these people are not here. They're not here. The one is Hyderabad and one is in town. So this is all these flowers. See here, so many blooms are here. Oh my god, so many blooms. See here, some hundreds of blooms are coming up, and so beautiful it is, I feel. See here. You can see this is the part which I am growing. See here. This part is very beautiful, isn't it not? See here. So beautiful. Okay, so many bunches and bunches of flowers are coming all the full road. Of course I want to put all full road also till the end. Okay, so I've been trying to do that, and here also we have planted some. I have planted some of them, and I will go there also. So I'll tell you where from I'm getting all these things and how. See here. This is the part 5 of my garden. You can see small flowers also are coming off. Before a few months before only, I have not a few months, 2 months back, they are coming off. Flowers are blooming, and it's getting beautiful this side also. And the full way you can find, see here, small chutkis here, everywhere full of flowers are coming. And yeah, you can see here also. This is in front of my house. Okay, so this is how I am growing. This is the part 5. So how to get these plants means, these are the seeds. First of all, I'll show you the seeds. Okay, see here, in some places we will find these seeds. See here, this is the, you can find, there it is, there, that long one. This one is the seed which falls down after it gets matured. Then it will fall down, and these are the small seeds which get sprinkled. Okay, from one I have taken all these seeds. So see, so many seeds are there. Some 15 or 16 seeds are here, and they will be sprinkled here and there. Okay, here and there they will be sprinkled. And what happens is, I will show you, so many are coming up. I'll show you where it is. So many, hundreds of plants will be, small plants will be coming off here. See. Oh my god. Where to put all this? See here. And everywhere you will find, everywhere this type of small saplings you will find. So all these, though we can't do all these things, at least a few I will try to put all there. So that is how I am planning. And this is the fifth thing, part of my garden. Okay, so like this it is. I hope you will like it. Okay, thank you and bye. Happy gardening. Hello friends, this is the mistake number 1, which we should not do. Actually this is not my house. It is, see here, you can find one tulsi plant and one aloe vera plant. See here, this is the aloe vera plant. Okay, this is the aloe vera plant. And what this watchman, they have asked the watchman to put water, I think. And what that man is doing is, he is putting off water for daily he is watering this aloe vera plant. But this aloe vera plant should not be watered daily. Only once in a week it should be watered. Okay, this tulsi can be watered, but this aloe vera plant, because it's a succulent plant and it doesn't need that much of water. Even if it is in summer season, we can water it every week, and in winter and in other seasons we can water even if we don't water for 1 month also, that doesn't get spoiled. So this is the second mistake I have done. This is see here, this is the coleus plant, which has grown very nicely. So beautiful it was, and so beautiful it was. It was like this and very bushy and all. But what happened is, this should not be kept in direct sunlight. So because the sun is getting severe day by day, this should not be kept here, and it should be shifted to a semi shaded place like. So this is immediately I have to remove all these cuttings. I will take some cuttings out of them, out of these plants, because they are very beautiful. I have bought this from my sister's place, where she is having lots of coleus plants and all. So these have to be shifted. Okay, so these have to be shifted and put it in a semi shaded place, so that they won't be having that problem. Okay, whether through cuttings, this is almost over. No, we can't do anything. But the other things I will take some cuttings and put them in a semi shaded place. Okay, there we can place somewhere there. So that is the second mistake. Okay, this is the third mistake. What I have done is, these are the banana peels. Yesterday I have in the morning it was very sunny, and I thought this all I will cut them and put it in the hot sun, so that I can make some powder which is very useful to the plants. I have cut them and nicely put them into in the sun. But what happened is, in the afternoon rain started. So I didn't know, it was all unexpected, and rain started, and I should have bought this inside, but I forgot. And now the state is, I have to put them in I have to again, see here, it became watery, and I have to do it again. This is the double. Maybe it will take 3-4 days to dry up. Okay, this is the third one. Like this mistakes you should not do. We should not forget that what is outside, even the soil and all, we have to look after when it rains. Even it should be covered when it is outside, when we outside and all. So we should take care what all things are to be kept safe. Okay.